Check 1 2, check 1 2. We're going live. We're going live. Hey. Hey there. How you doing? Hello, hello. Craziness. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and berries. I think we're live now. Let me check. Okay, enough of that screwing around. I'm just having some fun. Let me turn these lights out. 1 second. There's a tip for you. Have the light in front of your face, not behind you. So this says that I'm live. See, can you see that? It says live. It's not popping up yet. Maybe I got to refresh or something, huh? Anybody here yet? So today I'm going to share about how I made 250 bucks fairly easy. The easy way. 1 second here. What's going on here? Trying to find myself. You ever do that? You have to find yourself? I do. I need to find it on my little monitor. There it is. There it is. See, I was doing that funny stuff. Can you see that? Oh, that's so bright. It's coming on. It's live. I turn the volume down, otherwise I get feedback. So that's for me to be able to see what's going on here. If anybody makes any comments, I think you need to click a little link in the StreamYard thing if you want to be seen on this feed. And again, I don't know how a lot of this stuff works. I just use whatever's easy. And StreamYard is much easier than Zoom, in my opinion. So I'm going to get my coffee going while a couple other people come into the room. Appreciate it. Thank you for being here. First thing we do is you get a vessel, a cup. Bruce Lee would say the usefulness of a cup is in its emptiness. Do you know what that means? That means that if it's empty, you can put anything in it. But if you fill it full of milk, it's only good for milk. Fill it full of water, it's only good for water. But if you keep it empty, like your mind, you can put anything in it. So I can use it for milk right now. Here we go. Kokomo, a little bit of milk. Perfecto. A little bit of coffee. Put that in here. Let the machine do its work. Yes, sir. Put that right there. Let that machine do its work. Warming up. We got about a minute and a half. So, how is it that I made $250 fairly easy? And I'll tell you, it's because of this thing called affiliate marketing, which I believe creates passive income. Now, there's some arguments about what passive income is. Some people think that it's only your money, working for your money to make more money, you know, like investments in the stock market, things like that. But it's also, it's in my opinion, it's stuff that it's money that you're making because of other work you did, and it just happens, you know, because it happens because of the internet. The internet is always churning around. In fact, I made more than $250 yesterday. I actually sold a CD on a CD, yes, a compact disc, a CD on how to quit smoking on Amazon. And that was a surprise too. I had it up there for, I think, a year, and it finally sold. So that was kind of cool. What I don't like about the Amazon sales like that, where you're buying and selling, they call it arbitrage, where you're buying stuff at Goodwill or garage sales and then sell it on eBay and Amazon, is you have to ship it. And sometimes you get a surprise and find out, oh, that thing was a little heavier than I thought it was, and it costs a little more money to ship it. But you got to pack it, you got to tape it, you got to label it. And affiliate marketing, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do any shipping. You're selling another person's product or service. So that's how I made the 250 bucks. It's the platform that I'm working right now called Easy One Up. Coffee's ready. One sec. Okay, put that in there. Push on a little button. I made a mess in the microwave. I had to clean it up. Boiled over. So, affiliate marketing, if you don't know what it is, Amazon is basically a big affiliate platform. They are an affiliate. They are a middle person between the person's products, the merchant, and the customers that buy it, the people that pay the money. So people are selling, people are buying, and Amazon's in the middle, and they take a little piece. So that's kind of what affiliate marketing is. They earn their commission. So what I'm promoting is online education to teach people how to do these things, to be an entrepreneur, to work without a job and do your own thing. So mindset is a portion of the training inside of Easy One Up. And then it gets into two of how to use YouTube and how to use Facebook. And so it's an escalating platform, goes from the low end to the high end, kind of like grade school, high school, college kind of thing. Online education, learning, getting smarter. So the way that I did it was I do these videos. In fact, I'm doing another one. There's a associate of mine or connection, if you want to call it, a fellow affiliate. He's from South Africa, and we are going to do a video today. He's contacting me from South Africa, and I am going to interview with him and talk about the world of affiliate marketing. And then what we do is we collaborate together and put that video up on my platform. He puts it on his platform. We use a common link that drives the traffic. And then we find other people that are interested in learning how to earn an income online as opposed to having a 9-to-5 job. It's as simple as that. So I say that it's easy, but it's not really easy. And it's kind of like a combination lock. I like to use that analogy. If you know the combination to the lock, it is very easy to open up a combination lock. If you don't know the combination, it is very frustrating to open up a combination lock. So that's the basic essence of it. If you find your marketplace, your audience, your people that want to buy this product or service, and then you got it matching, and it's a good match and a fit with that product or service, and it's all timely, and they have the money to buy the product or service, and they have the desire, and they buy it, it's fairly easy to make that happen. The hard part is tuning that in and getting that, get that right thing that's in alignment at the right time and everything. So like, as an example, last year I was full speed ahead on the event industry, and I was selling exhibit space at an event planners expo that I created back in the 90s. And since the COVID thing, event people are not really interested in the event business right now. They're not looking to spend any money because they don't know the foreseeable future of what's going to be going on. When's this going to break loose? So I did a pivot. And I got into affiliate marketing online. And if you're interested in this, contact me. And I've got a little, this is what's cool about this StreamYard platform, is I can fairly easily do these banners. So if you want to contact me, you just go to contactmagicbrad.com. There it is right there. Contactmagicbrad.com, and you can call me on my phone or you can send me a Facebook message. Easy breezy, pretty easy to do. I try and keep this stuff simple. And here is, if you want to go to my website for doing an interview with me, it's called themagicbradshow.com. That's where you are right now. And sometimes what I do is I interview people. So it's not just about me all the time. It's about other people. That's the synergy part. And if you want to do something like that, we can do that. And I'm open to doing it, whatever your business is. If you're not an affiliate marketer and maybe you're, I prefer that it's something business and marketing related. Okay, so the conversation is around that line so it stays in alignment with what the audience that I'm trying to reach. So if you just want to get on and we talk about your business and we do some promotion for it, if you got a landscaping business and you're wondering about marketing online and using Facebook, or if you got a yoga studio or you're a wellness professional and you want to figure out how to do events and target your local community or use online marketing, we can have a conversation about that. And what I do is if you go to my YouTube channel, and you can get to my YouTube channel by going to MagicBrad.com, which is right there, MagicBrad.com. You can go to my YouTube channel and see some of the other videos that I've done. What I do is I put your links and things in the, as the host and the guest and your website and such. And what that does, it creates longevity because people are on YouTube looking for stuff all the time. And YouTube, of course, is connected with Google, which is a search engine. And of course, they're going to give priority to YouTube videos because they own it. So that's the story, Morning Glory. I'm going to give a couple more shots of espresso. Get that going. So I go on for about 11 minutes almost. It's 10:57, 58, 59, 11. One of my favorite numbers, 1, 1, 11, good number. So I'm going to close this off right now as the coffee's finishing up. If you have any questions or comments or concerns or whatever, we can reconnect. I'm going to do another little shameless self-promotion. Not there. Sorry. There. TheMagicBradShow.com. That's my domain name. If you want to come there, you can do it right there. Losing it. Getting stir crazy with this COVID thing going on. Okay, that's it, folks. Peace, love, and happiness. This is Magic Brad signing off. If you want to connect, please do. I appreciate you. And thanks. If you could share this, that helps me get the rankings and things up too. And let's make the world a better place. Okay? You and me? You, me, together? Certainly. Peace. Bye.